Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with this reading. Okay. Aquarius, this is your current energy, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so it seems like you are holding back your emotions. You just want to make sure whether this person is good for you or not, whether this person is good for your growth or not, whether this person is good for your emotional and mental health or not. All right, you have you want to offer something to this person, but you just want to make sure if this person is not good for me, then please end this relationship right now, right here, right now. But yes, if this person has some potential to be with you in future, so you are just taking your own time to come forward. You are just taking your own time to see how things are moving ahead with this person. Okay, on the other hand, we have Temperance card. Aquarius people, it seems like your person is someone who is going through some kind of a medical treatment or some kind of a meditation or some kind of a healing process. Perhaps this person have been through some tough time in life, and now they are taking their own time to heal their heart and mind. And yes, they have just closed their eyes. They are not thinking and they are doing nothing. They are thinking nothing. Their main focus is towards their own healing, towards their own mental peace and their peace of mind. Now let's see, Aquarius, what is the current mutual energy between you and them? What is the current mutual energy between Aquarius and their person? Let's see what is the current mutual energy between Aquarius and their person. Projections. See, it seems like you guys are judging each other. It seems like you guys are projecting something else about each other, and that thing is making you not to take some action towards you. See, this is the reason you are holding back your emotion, and this is the reason their person is going through some kind of a healing thing, because you guys have projected about each other's in a very negative way. Okay, or perhaps you have projected something else for each other. You judged each other. Okay, now let's see, Aquarius, what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. All right, see, what did I tell you? Both of you have judged each other in a negative way. Both of you have projected about each other in a negative way, and this is the reason your person sees you as somebody who is a miser. Because I told you in the beginning of this reading that you are being somebody who just want to make sure whether this person is good for me and for my mental health. And with this miser card, your person is also seeing you as somebody who's being very protective about something. It could be your mental peace, it could be your mental health, it could be your emotion, it could be your love, it could be your affection, it could be your time, your effort. Anything could be there. The current action which your person is taking towards you is compromising. It seems like your person is compromising on certain things in their life. Okay, perhaps they want to offer you something, but yes, they have their own challenges in their life. They just want to conquer that, and this is the reason they are compromising on certain things. The future actions which they can take towards you, Aquarius, is the flowering. It seems like after going through a lot of hurdles in this relationship, both of you are going to experience some good time in future. And with this flowering card, it seems like your person is going to understand that, okay, I projected something wrong about my Aquarius. Now I shouldn't judge them, and I should better take some action towards this person. So I'm seeing some kind of a action from their side towards you. Okay, so Aquarius, some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius, some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this. Okay, Okay, so Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye. And please, sorry about the background noise.